go pinky up for the whole one on this one because it's my up arm. Butthole down, sitting tall. Here we go, we're going for 8. So switch grip if you want. 4, 3, finish off your 8, and then we'll switch to the other side, where I'm going to go with my thumb up grip on this side because it's my down arm. It likes to bias the bicep. And here we go for 8, 7, 6, 5. Switch grips if you want. Whew. Okay, heading to our row. Think elbow away from that ear, or elbow reaching towards the hip. And again, make sure that butthole isn't down, but it's behind you. So coming to that hinge, that's it. Okay, once you've done 8 to 10, you're going to switch sides depending on the weight that you've got. This is where too, with this kind of grip, you could just load up a reusable shopping bag and then grab that, gather up some of the shopping bag in your hand instead of using the towel. Okay, once you've done your 8 to 10 on that side, then we're going to go into our flamingo pose. We want to get on that transverse arch when we come down. So we don't want to get, so we're back on the heel. We want to get on that transverse arch. On our down leg, this is my up leg, the hip will go back, but it's on account of the swing of the upside heel. Okay, switch sides. Think up heel as it circles around, in, yaw it, yaw it. It'll make space for that down hip. Good, okay. Now we're going to squats. First one I held my 2 ends, I think like this. Second time I held it like this and just went up, so both are an option. Get set up, down shin forward, up shin goes back, heels in. Keep the knees under you, don't splay them out. Good job. And break.